Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the Hayer TV and pointing the remote at the set. Once done, confirm the active input like HDMI 1 so you can see changes live. Press Menu, go to Settings, then open Picture or Display. This is where screen size lives. You do this now to avoid guessing later, so make sure the image is playing, streaming app, cable box, or laptop. Keep the remote handy. You'll toggle modes and watch the preview to judge fit as you adjust. You now pick aspect ratio and try options like 16, 9, 4, 3, zoom, and screen fit. Switch between them and watch how edges and text change. If the TV offers overscan or fit to screen, toggle that off or on to remove cropped edges. PC mode often locks pixels so text is sharp. Also, make sure the source device output matches a standard resolution. For example, 1080p or 720p, because mismatched resolutions force scaling that distort size. Finish by confirming your preferred aspect and turning off the menu so the picture is uninterrupted. Save settings when prompted and reboot the TV to ensure changes stick. If edges are still cut or black bands remain, swap the HDMI cable or try another HDMI port and a different source. This isolates the problem. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but be aware it clears presets and tune channels. If you try that, reapply your picture choices afterward and test again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.